carpet. This is what happens when you mix your world and my world. Oh, and when you eat bad shellfish. Oh, yeah!
Yeah, how do we find the crate?
Beats me. This hat is worthless. And it makes me look bad.
Where's the kwan?
Whoa! Here she comes. Right on schedule. Oh, yeah!
We're going to ride this kwan?
Sure, it's the only way to the crate. Top one. Look, this is going to be good. Please keep your hands and feet in the kwan at all times. Enjoy the ride. Ladies and gentlemen, the dining room.
This is the dining room?
And look, chandelier.
That's the bathroom?
You might want to hold it for a while. Something like that really burns my eye. You mean like at Universal Studios? Please exit the spot to your left. Have a nice day.
Where are we? The living room, I think.
Oh, man, my eyes are closed. If there's no light, can we go back and do that again?
That's a crate! If we shut the crate, you have to go back to normal. Yeah,